Hey guys, I just wanted to make this video to help you if you are trying to do this whole paper by hand. I'm specifically going to look at 4, 5, 10, and 11. So these are actually questions that we're going to look at next week, and it's going to be called changing from standard form to slope-intercept form. And basically the only thing you have to do here is just solve for y, which I know that's something we've struggled with, so that's why I wanted to make this video. So to start, you always have to add and subtract first when you're solving. So I'm going to subtract 2x. That's going to give us negative 4y is equal to negative 2x plus 16. I put the 2x in front because the x is going to be where our slope is. This is going to be where our mx shows up, and then it's going to be the plus b. All right, so the next thing we have to do is we have to divide by negative 4. So then we're going to divide everything by negative 4. And then what this would look like is y is equal to, and then you're going to split that denominator. So it's going to be negative 2 over negative 4, x, plus 16 over negative 4. And then you have to just do some simplifying. So y is equal to 2 divided by 4 is 1 over 2, right? Because 2 comes out of both of those things. Negative and negative becomes positive, so 1/2 x. 16 divided by 4 is 4, but because it's a negative 4, it's going to be negative 4. So then our slope is going to be 1 over 2, and our y-intercept is going to be 0, negative 4. All right, so we come down here, and if we're trying to graph that, we're going to go to negative 4 on our graph, so negative 1, 2, 3, 4 puts us right here. And then we follow the slope. The slope is up 1 to the right 2, up 1 to the right 2, down 1 to the left 2, down 1 to the left 2. So then our line should look something like this. If we've drawn it correctly. I'm going to draw it the other way, which actually you don't need to put arrows. We're just going to save the arrows for some other time. We'll have it end right at the end of the grid there. That'll make it look a lot cooler. All right. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. If you're working by hand, even if you're not working by hand, that's just a great example of graphing. All right, so let's take a look at the next one. The next one is x minus 2y is equal to negative 8. So again, solving for y. So subtract x from both sides. You're going to get negative 2y is equal to negative x minus 8. And then you divide everything by negative 2. All right, another way to write dividing everything by negative 2. Whoops, I don't want to be partial anymore. Another great way to divide everything by negative 2 is literally to specifically write out that you're dividing everything by negative 2. That would be y is equal to, this is negative 1 over 2, or negative 2, which would be 1/2 x again. Negative 8 over negative 2 would give us positive 4. So now we have 1/2 for the slope, 0, 4 for the y-intercept. So we graph the y-intercept first. So 0, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 puts us here. Slope is 1/2 again, so up 1 to the right 2, up 1 to the right 2, down 1 to the left 2, down 1 to the left 2. And again, you only need 2 points to graph a line, so you don't need to graph necessarily as many points as I am graphing. Okay? But it could be helpful for drawing the extended lines. And there's that second graph. All right, let's take a look at 10 now. So for 10, again, solving for y. Every time it's just solving for y because we need to get it in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So negative 6y is equal to negative 9x plus 72. And then we subtract negative 6 from everything, or divide, not subtract. Divide everything by negative 6. And that would give us y is equal to negative 9 over 6, so divided by 3, which would be a 3 here. Divide this by 3 would be a 2 there. 72 divided by 6, what is that? Oh gosh, that is 12, so negative 12. So we have y equals to negative and negative cancel, so 3/2 x minus 12, because 72 divided by negative 6 is negative 12. Don't know why I wrote 16. Negative 12. So then our slope is 3/2, and our y-intercept is 0, negative 12. So then we come down here. We're going to negative 12, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. puts us here, and then we're going up 3, 1, 2, 3, to the right 2, up 3, to the right 2, down 3, to the left 2, down 3, to the left 2. And now we can draw this line in. So this line's a little bit steeper than the ones we've been drawing in the past. Whoops. So this line is going to look something like this, and like this. Alright, so there's that orange line. And then the last one, where we're solving for y, subtract 3x from both sides. 2y is equal to negative 3x minus 24, and then divide everything by 2. Would give us y is equal to negative 3/2 x minus 12, so 0, negative 12 again. This time the slope is negative 3/2, so then we're going to go negative 12, which is this point. We've already graphed there, and now we're going negative 3/2, so down 1, 2, 3, to the right 2, up 1, 2, 3, to the left 2, okay, and now we're going to draw in this line right here. Maybe. Then graph it up. This one's going all the way to the top. Yeah, I think right here. Yeah, that looks good. All right, so that should be a good start to your mosaic, right? I graphed 4 of them for you. So really, it's just up to you to graph those last 6 plus 2, so 8. 8 more to graph, all right? So I hope you're kind of having fun with this. You can color it in, make it look super nice. I think I'll print off these off if they look really good, and we can hang them up around the class or something. So take some time with it. All right, I hope you guys have a great weekend.